Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys can see, my location has changed and it's probably been like a week. It's been like a week since I've really vlogged. I did vlog a clip my first day of training, where I was kind of starting. Like last week I was transitioning out of my position, and then the week before last I was transitioning out of my position, and that's like the last time that I kind of vlogged, because the last week I've been doing this has been my first full week of training in my new position, because I did get a promotion. I think I talked to you guys about it, but I don't really know, but a lot has changed. So I'm kind of giving you guys like a little bit of an update. I can't remember how much I told you guys, but I interviewed for a new position. If you've been watching up and catching up with my vlogs, I interviewed for a new position at my job. That was a higher position, still a nursing assistant position, but it's just going to be the clinical and office side, which I love. If you guys know me, I love the mix of office work and medical and nursing. That's perfect, like right up my alley, what I want to do. And it's a higher position than what I've been doing. It was pretty much like the perfect transition for me. Like I was pretty much ready and really getting burnt out doing what I was doing, and it was like the perfect opportunity that came about, and I applied for it, and I'm so happy that I like pushed myself and went. And of course, babe was like, yes, you know, she thinks I should do it, and of course can do anything. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and just put the application in. My supervisor was like so happy. So anyway, I interviewed for the position. I ended up having to take like a test and everything like that, and they offered me the job, and of course I accepted it. So I've been officially in training for officially a week. I started, like I said, the week before last, but one of the, like 2 of the days, actually, they still needed me on the floor. So I don't really count that as training. So the last week I've been in training, and I've been doing a lot, you guys. Like I've been doing so freaking much. Today's Monday, the September 28th. So it's just been so much stuff going on. So I got the promotion. Babe, my fiance, she also got a promotion as well to assistant manager. So that's awesome, like such a blessing, obviously. And we've been moving, so we did get a place. I know I was talking to you guys about just being a lot going on. So we've been moving. We did end up finding a place, the perfect place. It's a 2-bedroom, much more space, backyard, like privacy. So I'm super duper excited. Like I love it. So right now we're in our 2nd bedroom, which we're going to make like our glam and get ready room. Babe has her nail station and everything. You guys know she does nails. And then I have like my vanity here for right now, and then all of our stuff in this closet. So we have a lot of stuff to still do in the house. We've been kind of just trying to unpack and get everything on board. Like I said, we're both transitioning to our new positions and moving, and then we have to be out of our old place by, today's Monday, so we have to be out of our old place by Wednesday. So we'll be going there tomorrow. We pretty much moved everything but our fish tank. So we'll be going back to get our fish tank, and then we'll be cleaning up and turning our keys. So it's just been a lot going on with that. All good things, all blessings, all positive. But it's just been a lot of going back and forth, and yeah, I've just been all over the place. But I'm happy to kind of just have a little bit more stability, have a set schedule. My schedule's changed, so it's going to be really awesome. I work Monday through Friday now. I don't work the weekends. I have good benefits, so it's just such a blessing, to be honest with you guys. It's perfect. So I've been just so happy. We've been starting to kind of press play on starting to plan the engagement party, because we wanted to have it at our home. So now that we have a home that's going to have plenty of space, it's just perfect for us to have it here. So we're starting to kind of think of that and kind of press play on everything else, because the move just hinders everything. It's hard to really focus on anything when you're moving. I can get back to focusing on the Forever Glam shop and just all kind of stuff. I have a lot of stuff in the making, so I'm just so excited. I feel like just a good like fire is lit under me. Like when I first got this promotion, it was like something just felt different. Like things are about to just start happening for us. And I kid you guys not, it was like the place, the promotion, and babe got a promotion, and just everything's been working out. And I've been really just trying to stay grounded and just keep myself positive and not be so negative, because I really have a tendency to be negative and just overthink things. And that's why I'm so grateful for the fiance that I have, because she really does keep me on track and just reminds me, like, you know, the reality of life and just that everything's not the end of the world, and just how to kind of stay sane and stay in the right space, you know, because sometimes our mental can control a lot for us, you know, and I feel like happiness is a state of mind, and it's like, you know, you should just, I don't know. So it's a lot, but that's pretty much what I've been doing, you guys. It's Monday. I worked today. I got off at 3 o'clock. So I'm just waiting for babe to get home. And that's pretty much it. We're going to go see our puppy. We'll be bringing home our puppy in a couple weeks. I believe the 25th of October is when he can officially come home. So a little bit less than 4 weeks. So yeah, I'm just excited to kind of get back on the ball and just get back on things. Like the kitchen is so much nicer and just bigger. So I'm excited to get back to my cooking and meal prepping and making us dinner, healthier dinners and stuff like that. And I've been just ready to just kind of reset, like get myself back together. Like that kind of thing makes me happy. So I'm feeling really motivated. So I just wanted to get on here, kind of update you guys with what's going on. Just gonna get ready and go wash a couple of dishes and stuff before babe gets here, and then we're gonna head out and go see our puppy, and who knows what else. Probably just eat dinner and relax, you know, normal Monday stuff. But I just want to check in with you guys, start the weekly vlog. I was thinking that I wanted to get a new vanity, but I don't know if I actually do, because I really like this one. I just think I can, you know, do some stuff to just jazz it up and make it a little bit more, you know, together looking, I guess. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. So today's actually October 1st. So I wear my little owl scrubs to be festive for, I guess, the month of October. Just got to the office. I'm just about to get my coffee and everything, but today is med cycle day, so we're going to be replenishing all the med carts, and I'll be assisting the nurses do that with all the meds, and we'll be pulling all of the old meds and destroying the carts. Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. So I'm about to make some coffee. It's Saturday, October 3rd, and I literally can't believe that it's literally October 3rd already. I think I'm gonna use my hers mug today. I gotta add some water to my Keurig. So, do you guys use Keurigs anymore? I feel like, I don't know. I'm really starting to want something different. And I don't know, I was looking at coffee pots the other day when I was at, we were at Walmart, and I'm just using the Dunkin' Donuts French vanilla coffee. So I'm just gonna use that and put it in my little capsule. But I was looking at what they have. Of course, they didn't have the Nespressos. One of you guys recommended that we invest in a Nespresso, and honestly, there's a couple of YouTubers that I watch, 2 in particular that I watch a lot, that actually have an espresso. And when I say their coffee looks so good, it literally looks so good. And I really, you know, would like to try it, but it's really expensive. So I don't know, maybe wedding gift or something. Maybe we'll get some gift cards or something. But what I was also thinking is they probably have a smaller version, because I don't need the big old huge Nespresso machine, because babe doesn't really drink coffee like that. So I'll be the only one that'll really be drinking it. So yeah, it doesn't make sense for me to get the big one. But you guys know how, like, the Keurig, there's this big one. They have all these models. I don't know what model this is, but I think they have like smaller single serve Nespressos as well. So I don't know, I'm gonna look into that eventually, because I am getting kind of bored with the Keurig, and I just kind of want a different type of thing, especially if it's getting warm. It's about to be cold here. It's already cold here where I live. So yeah, it's freezing this morning. That's why I have my robe on. But it feels good to be vlogging. Today's Saturday. Like I said, I'm just about to make my coffee. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Babe went to work. She just actually probably got there not too long ago. But she's at work for a couple hours today, and then we're going to go to the grocery store later. And I have a couple of things I need to get done around the house. I definitely need to edit and just kind of stay on top of things and get myself together and prepared, because I just need to get consistent. But everything's super stable. We finally have everything unpacked. And yeah, we officially sent out, I'm sorry, let me go ahead and brew our coffee. So we officially, I like to put my cream in. I shake it up. I'm just using French vanilla creamer. And so that I can kind of have like the little bubbles. I don't know if you guys can even see. So that when it goes, when it brews, it kind of has like the foamy little, you know, look. We officially sent out our invites to the engagement party. Now that we moved and everything and we got a home and we have much more space, then, you know, we feel a lot more comfortable and stable having it at our home, which is what we wanted anyway. So yeah, we officially sent our invites out. So I need to get on Amazon today anyway and look up some stuff. And yeah, so I'm so excited. So over the next couple of weeks, the vlogs are going to be so much fun because I'm almost out of training. I've been training for like 2 weeks for this new position I got. I talked about it a little bit earlier, but I think I'm going to film a chit chat, get ready with me, just kind of doing a life update. If I feel like the vlog footage really wasn't enough. So I'm going to edit the 2 vlogs to edit today, which will be probably this one and a vlog that you guys will see before that. And then I'll probably post that vlog today, and then you guys will get a regular Sunday vlog tomorrow. And yeah, but the vlogs coming up over the next few weeks are going to be so exciting. I have my best friend is coming in town for the engagement party, and I also have 2 of my bridesmaids coming in town for the engagement party too. So I'm so excited. All my friends and family and loved ones are coming. So it's going to be a really good time. I'm so excited. We really started and have a really good plan as far as what we want to do and everything like that. So you guys will see all that planning over the next couple of weeks. And we'll just be kind of, you know, getting everything together, getting the house together. So these are going to be some fun vlogs. We'll be doing engagement party stuff. We'll be doing home decor stuff. And also I'm trying to get myself back together because I've just been so happy, and which is great, but I really just want to kind of get back healthy and just feel different, especially since now I'll be sitting down more. I won't be running on the floor as much. So I feel like I'm not as active. So I want to get a little bit more active, you guys. I literally do. And then we're getting a new puppy soon. So I'm really excited, you guys. There's so much exciting stuff going on. And these vlogs are going to be lit. Everything's going to be just so much fun. So make sure you follow us. You follow me on, you know, YouTube, obviously. But me and Babe have our own YouTube channel as well. And we're so ready to get back posting videos on that channel. So you guys can always, it'll be linked in the description. You can always find our YouTube channel and both of our social medias if you want to figure out and follow us and what we're got going on. Especially with me like eating in day to day and stuff like that. But yeah, I've been blabbing because I just miss vlogging and talking to you guys. So yeah, I'm about to drink my coffee, probably watch a YouTube video, and then I'm gonna get to editing and kind of see what I got to do. My plan is also to try to film 2 videos today, but we'll see, because one of them was I wanted to film and get ready with me, but I don't have any lash glue, so I don't think I'll be doing any lashes, which is fine. But it seems like lately, you guys, I've been really wearing less makeup and more just like lashes and lip gloss. But yeah, I miss playing in makeup, trying new products, and I've still been getting ipsy. So I got some new stuff to try out and share with you guys. So anyways, I'm just gonna drink my coffee. I was a little bit hungry, so I was gonna make me an omelet, because I was kind of craving them, because they do them at work sometimes, and they're so good with a little bit of cheese in it. But I'm not really hungry right now, so I'm just going to finish my coffee and probably drink a glass of water and then see what I feel. Like a little bit, it's almost 12 o'clock. It's probably like 11:45, and I'm about to make me some of these hot and spicy ramen noodles for lunch. I was gonna have a ham sandwich with it, but we're out of ham. Like I said, we're going grocery shopping today, so I didn't realize we were already out. So yeah, I'm just gonna have these noodles, which will be fine, and then I'm gonna get dressed while I'm waiting on the first video to export. So I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of what is gonna be like our beauty room, or I don't know what you call it. But this is my vanity area, and these are Babe's clothes. My clothes are in the closet in the room, her nail station and stuff, and then our little linen kind of area. So I'll be coming here and getting ready for the day. And yeah, by then the video should be done exporting. So I just want to show you guys what I'm having for lunch. Just got done putting our groceries, well, most of the groceries away, like from the freezer and the fridge, but I just wanted to shout out the couple of new things that I decided to grab. So these aren't new, but they're new to me. So I picked up, don't mind my nails, I'm getting those done today, but I picked up 2 of these Starkist tuna creations. I've never tried these flavored tuna, so I thought it would be good to try it out. So I got the lemon pepper flavor and also the sweet and spicy. And then also, I always am watching my girl Danny's What I Eat Todays, and whenever they do seafood boils, they do these beef smoked sausage. And I actually really like sausage, so I got these because I want to try something with that. And then I also, which I showed these, me and Babe were like, we have to get these. This is the ketchup and ranch already mixed, and mayo and ranch ketchup already mixed, which we both use for both. So we figured we needed to pick those up, and they were only $3 a piece. Otherwise than that, I also picked up this new Dollar General hazelnut coffee creamer. So we'll see how that goes. And tonight for dinner, we're having, I'm doing some baked nachos. So I got these chips, I got ground beef that's thawing out, some jalapeno peppers, and then this premium cheddar cheese sauce, and then I also have some sprinkled cheese and sour cream. So should be good. I'll show you guys how that turns out later. So I just wanted to share these couple little things with you guys. Yeah, Babe also put my whiteboard up in the kitchen for me where I'm going to do our weekly meal plan. So I'm so excited to just start with that, because you guys know I'll be all on top of that. So I got the nachos all ready. So I just browned the ground beef, put it on top of some nachos. I put a little bit of the nacho cheese down, then I put the meat, put a little bit more of this on there, shredded cheese and jalapenos, and then we'll put the salsa and sour cream on once it comes out the oven. I took it out the oven, and then I just topped it with the salsa, this salsa right here, and then I put some sour cream and a couple more jalapenos on it. So I'm about to serve it up, and we're gonna eat.